6, they are tasked with protecting some of the most vulnerable kids in central Indiana, but tonight they are facing disturbing accusations.
Attorneys filed suit today against Damar Services, accusing one of its former employees of sexual misconduct with children in their care. Call 6 Investigates Kara Kinney has been first to get the copy of the lawsuit and joins us now with details. Kara?
That's right, Erica. Damar Services provides residential and treatment programs for children with developmental disabilities and behavioral issues. According to this lawsuit filed today, Damar Services failed to protect the health and safety of children in their care.
In my 31 years of practice, this is one of the most egregious cases I've ever filed suit on.
According to the lawsuit, Wylock Stonebreaker was an employee with Damar Services in 2012. Part of her job, to transport vulnerable children in Damar's care. According to the suit, Wylock repeatedly engaged in sexually inappropriate conduct in the presence of a then 15-year-old girl, identified only as AC.
She had a history of abuse, parents and foster homes. Eventually, the court said, we're going to trust Damar to take care of this lady, or this young child.
Attorney Tim Rose says while transporting AC in a Damar vehicle, Stonebreaker invited this man, Marcus Mormon, to have sex with the then 15-year-old girl.
Kids cannot consent to sex under Indiana law, and a lot of these kids have behavioral issues, low IQ, so this wasn't an issue of consent, this was an issue of rape.
The lawsuit alleges Damar failed to do background checks as well as training and monitoring its employees.
And we feel that they really violated the trust that the state of Indiana put in them to take care of this lady and help her to adjust to become a very profitable person in society.
Both Stonebreaker and Mormon were criminally charged, convicted, and sentenced in Marion County for what happened to AC, and a separate lawsuit was filed earlier this year alleging Stonebreaker molested a then 16-year-old boy. Rose says Damar Services needs to be held accountable.
So we have someone that's going to need psychological counseling for the rest of her life, that's been emotionally abused by this incident, and we feel that a civil lawsuit will make Damar be responsible for what they've caused for this young woman's life.
And Damar Services also provides residential services for the Indiana Department of Child Services, although the state did cancel one of its home services contracts with them amid safety concerns. Now, I stopped by Damar earlier today, and they told us they will not be commenting on this lawsuit. I'm Call 6 investigator Kara Kinney.